Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is DUROV. So free DUROV, the CEO of Telegram, and it's going to be our daily cipher word. Let us get the phone and we put in these Morse codes and we get that reward over 1 million. All right, let me get the phone. So from the left, click the second item, daily cipher, till this button turns red. Now let us put in the Morse codes. We start with D, which is long press, tap tap. That's D. Let's repeat again. Long press, tap tap. Then U, tap tap, long press. Then R, tap, long press, tap. Then O, long press, long press, long press. Oh, I made a mistake. Long press, tap tap, tap tap, long press, tap, long press, tap. Then long press, long press, long press. Then tap tap tap, long press. And the word is DUROV, or the name. Click, take the prize, and you'll be good to go. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next videos. Bye bye.